Hey y'all, I'm back with another one, and this time I'm making mini Philly cheesesteaks featuring, you know it, sweet Hawaiian rolls. Let's get into it. First, we're going to slice the whole thing through to separate the top buns from the bottom buns. Stay with me. Then we're going to butter the top and the bottom with some melted butter, garlic, a little mayo. Next, we're going to season our ribeye steak with your seasons of choice. I threw a whole bunch of stuff in there, but you know the vibes. Now we're going to add some diced peppers and onions, layer it with your cheese of choice. I chose pepper jack cheese because I like a little kick, which leads me to the sauteed jalapenos because I'm a Texas girl and I need that. When that's done, we're going to add all that meaty, cheesy goodness to the bottom half of our rolls. Then we're going to look back at it for a second. Damn. Now we're going to cover it with the top half and boom, into the oven it goes for 5 minutes at 350 degrees. Now there's nothing left to it but to do it, and that's exactly what I did. I cut that bad boy down and took a nice big bite because that's the best part. Mm, mm, mm. This recipe was perfect for a Saturday with the fam. I went ahead and threw in some fries in the air fryer and paired it with some Stella Rosa, and it was a party.